Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to escape the loop in MiSide, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. In MiSide, the loop is a segment where players find themselves traversing the same corridor repeatedly with subtle changes occurring in each iteration. To navigate and ultimately escape the loop, follow these steps. Observe environmental changes as you progress through each loop. Pay close attention to alterations in the environment. These changes often provide clues or new interactions essential for advancement. Interact with new elements. With each loop, new items or interactive elements may appear. Engage with these to trigger events or obtain items necessary for progression. Solve emerging puzzles. Some loops introduce puzzles that must be solved to proceed. These range from simple tasks to more complex challenges. Collect the game cartridge after navigating through several loops. After completing a rapid combat sequence, return to the corridor on your left to find a white top with a flower vase. The Player 4 cartridge will be located to its left. Continue progressing, persist through the loops, and utilize the items and information you've gathered to unlock new paths or interactions. By following these steps, you can easily escape the loop. And that's it, you're done.